In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your picture corner round in Excel. If you're polishing a dashboard, a report, or a presentation sheet, rounding the corners of an image is a quick way to make your visuals look more modern and friendly, and Excel has a built-in style that does exactly that. Start by selecting the picture you want to format. Just click the image once. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles appear around the edges. When a picture is selected, Excel automatically shows the Picture Format tab on the ribbon at the top. If you don't see that tab, it usually means nothing is selected, so click the image again to bring it up. This is important because all the tools we need live in that Picture Format area. With the image still selected, look along the Picture Format tab for the section labeled Picture Styles. This group contains a gallery of ready-made looks, frames, shadows, reflections, and more that you can apply in one click. If your Excel window is narrow, you might see a small row of thumbnails and a More button. That's fine. You can expand the gallery to view the full set. As you hover over each style, Excel shows a live preview on your picture, so you can see the effect before committing. Now find and choose the preset called Bevel Rectangle. In some versions, it may appear as Beveled Rectangle, but the idea is the same. It softens the corners and adds a subtle beveled edge for a rounded, polished appearance. Hover over it to preview the change, then click to apply. Instantly, your sharp-cornered image transforms into a rounded, professional-looking element that fits beautifully with clean, modern layouts. A couple of quick notes to help you get consistent results. The exact appearance of picture styles can reflect your current office theme and document theme colors. If the effect looks slightly different between computers, that's normal. The underlying style is the same, and it will retain its rounded corners when shared or printed. If you switch to another image later, just repeat the same approach. Select the picture, go to Picture Styles, and apply Bevel Rectangle for a uniform look across your workbook. And that's all there is to it. Click the picture, head to Picture Styles in the Picture Format tab, and choose Bevel Rectangle. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your Excel images a cleaner, rounded style that elevates your sheets without any extra effort.